yung Bicameral Conference Committee report, pinirmahan kahit may mga nakikita tayong blanco. These are not, I would say, ordinary figures because these figures will reach to billions of pesos. Kung isa-isahin natin, I think 13 pages pa yung nakita ko na blanco at saka pati na yun sa unprogrammed appropriations. Defective yung BICAM report. At bakit pinirmahan ng members? So the House and the Senate ratified defective BICAM report. In other words, apektado yung ating GAA because BICAM report was defective. What was ratified by both houses are defective. Ang daming kulang na blanco that can be shown in the BICAM report at pirmado.
I would like to remind Congress, mali ho yan. It's invalid. Please correct it. Or record the budget and demand an explanation kung bakit dumating sa inyo yan na ganon kablangko. Otherwise, sabihin ko sa mga Pilipino, huwag na kayo magbayad ng buwis ninyo. Ganun lang naman, pinagsasayang ito mga kumang na to